Hello everyone, quick video here. And today I'm going to answer the questions, what are red tickets used for in Anime Reborn and how do we get more? Alright, in Anime Reborn, red tickets are a valuable in-game currency used primarily to purchase special items and units, such as the Dragon Capsules. These capsules contain characters of varying rarity, with some being incredibly rare, like exclusive or mythical units. Players can also use red tickets to buy items needed to evolve their units, such as the Special Beam Evo item. Alright, to earn more red tickets, you can play Adventure Mode, and you can also purchase with Roblox currency. For the first one, let's talk about playing the Adventure Mode. Completing this mode grants around 1,000 red tickets per victory. Even partial completions or losses can yield tickets, alright? And about purchasing with the Roblox currency, for players looking to progress faster, tickets can also be bought using real money. Alright, these tickets are crucial for unlocking top tier units and evolving them to their maximum potential. And if you're looking to optimize your gameplay focusing on farming, Adventure Mode is a reliable way to gather tickets consistently. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.